Hi there. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be talking about Xiaomi Book Pro 16 and Book Pro 14. For some time this manufacturer has been somewhat timider concerning its portfolio of laptops, but now it is back and presenting its latest models, the Xiaomi Book Pro 16 2022 and Xiaomi Book Pro 14 2022. These laptops have a design that highlights the thinness in a screen that the 16-inch model promises a lot thanks to its OLED touch panel and its 4K resolution. It is certainly not the only novelty of these devices, although we will have to be patient because their launch is currently limited to China. Xiaomi has once again taken advantage of the wedge format that became a reference design with the first MacBook Air. Apple has just abandoned this design language in its latest and most recent models, but the Chinese manufacturer has kept it for these devices. This allows, among other things, to highlight again the thinness and lightness. At its thickest end, the Xiaomi Book Pro 16 measures only 14.9 mm, something that also allows cutting the weight of this laptop. The chassis is made of aircraft-grade aluminum alloy and gives the entire unit a promising solidity and lightness. The device has a generously sized touchpad, and the full-size keyboard, without a numeric keypad despite the diagonal, has dimensions that seem to make it comfortable to work with. That touchpad seems especially noteworthy. Xiaomi promises response times of just 5 ms, and a soft touch glass panel that improves the touch area by 30% over the previous generation. The screen of the new Xiaomi Book Pro 16 2022 is especially remarkable. This is an OLED touch panel with 4K resolution, something that is certainly especially noteworthy considering the 16-inch diagonal that is integrated into this device. That screen also features a 3D LUT color correction system developed by Xiaomi that allows, according to the manufacturer, to have a delta E of 0.33. This value indicates that the color representation on this screen is particularly remarkable. Another outstanding option of this panel is its touch support, something that allows us to interact directly with the screen by touching it when we need it. This is not a convertible, the screen does not fold, and there is no mention of stylus support, but that option is also appealing for various scenarios. This laptop also has a curious feature. It is the first to be calibrated exactly to the calibration of the new Xiaomi 12S Ultra, which makes the presentation of images and their color the same in both. Dolby Vision support is another good news when it comes to enjoying high dynamic range content. The display features Display 400 certification, the brightness of up to 600 nits, 1 million, 1 contrast, and 100% DCI-P3 gamut support. The internal hardware is highlighted by the presence of 12th generation Intel Core processors. We are therefore dealing with representatives of the Alder Lake family, and in the model with the Core i5-1240P, 45 watts TDP, for example, we will obtain 76% more performance than the Core i5-11300H of the last generation according to internal Xiaomi tests. The device is Intel Evo certified, and the processor is accompanied by 16 GB of LPDDR5 memory and 512 GB of capacity on a PCIe 4.0 SSD. The base model features Intel integrated graphics, but there is a top model with the Core i7-1260P and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2050 graphics that could be interesting for casual gamers. The thinness of the device might make you think that this would limit its autonomy, but the Xiaomi Book 16 2022 has a 70 Wh battery that, according to the manufacturer, can provide up to 12 hours of autonomy. This battery will also be charged quickly thanks to the 100 watts GAN charger that is provided when purchasing the laptop, and that is certainly a guarantee to always have power available for the equipment. Although the main highlight of the family is undoubtedly the Xiaomi Book Pro 16 2022, Xiaomi has also presented a somewhat more modest and compact version of this laptop. This is the Xiaomi Book Pro 14, which features an OLED display also touch and is very remarkable with 2.8K resolution, 600 nits of maximum brightness, display 500, support for 90 Hz refresh rates, and a contrast ratio of 1 million, 1. As above, 100% of the DCI-P3 gamut is supported, and there is also support for Dolby Vision technology. The 3D LUT color calibration profile makes the delta A in this case a bit higher, 0.41, but still a fantastic value. The battery is slightly lower, but its 56Wh will give us 10 hours of battery life, and we still have the 100 watts GAN charger. The design remains identical, and the thickness remains at 14.9 millimeters. The new Xiaomi Book Pro 16, 2022 and Xiaomi Book Pro 14, 2022 are available in China, and the prices are as follows. Xiaomi Book Pro 16 i5-1240p, 16 and 512 GB, cost 6,499 yuan. Xiaomi Book Pro 16 i5-1260p, 16 and 512 GB, and RTX 2050, cost 8,499 yuan. Xiaomi Book Pro 14 i5-1240p, 16 and 512 GB, cost 5,899 yuan. Xiaomi Book Pro 14 i5-1240p, 16 and 512 GB, and MX 550, cost 6,499 yuan. Xiaomi Book Pro 14 i5-1260p, 16 and 512 GB, and RTX 2050, cost 7,999 yuan. Here ends our video on Xiaomi Book Pro 16 and Book Pro 14. We hope you find it very useful. If you have any suggestion, kindly share with us in the comments section. Also, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Please click on the notification bell in front of the subscribe button to turn on notification for this channel, so as to notify you when I post new video. Thank you for watching.